Yo, what's up, good people? It's to Amano. It's your man, Lou Che. I want to welcome you all back to another episode of Do Know. Once again, I'm bringing to you a special episode of Do Know. It is Life Insurance Awareness Month. With me, I have my man, Mark Crump. What's up, Mark?
What's going on, Lou?
How are you?
I'm good, man. How are you?
Good. Thank you once again for having me in your place of business, sir.
No, thank you for having me on your show.
I appreciate it. Thank you. So let's dig into this. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about life insurance awareness. Question. What's the difference between term and whole?
Okay. The difference between term and whole life is really simple. I always liken term insurance to renting an apartment.
Cool.
Because, or let me put it this way. Term insurance is temporary coverage. Okay. And so the reason why I liken it to renting an apartment is you have a specific lease period when you rent an apartment.
Right.
So when you have a term policy, you have a specific time frame, whether it's 10, 20, or 30 years. Whole life, on the other hand, is permanent insurance. So I liken that to owning a home. Because when you own your home, it's yours forever.
That makes sense.
And you never have to worry about where you're going to live. So with whole life insurance, you have the ability to have that policy, but you also earn what's called cash value, which is very similar to the equity in your home.
Cool.
Okay.
That's good information. So let me make sure I understand this. Term, you're working within a window of time. Okay. That's good information. Easily digestible, by the way.
Okay.
All right. So term, whole. How much insurance should I have? How much coverage should I have?
That's a good question, Lou. So life insurance is not cookie cutter. So the reason why I say that that's the amount is going to change with each person, each scenario. So so one might say that if you're looking at your salary, for example, and you want to have maybe 3 times your salary to leave for your loved one if something were to happen to you. So that's one way to look at it. So what we typically do is we sit down with our policyholders to understand their entire financial scope so that we can make the best recommendation. Oftentimes we will recommend having term coverage and whole life coverage because there are times in everyone's life when you do need some term coverage just to be able to protect your temporary exposures. So basically we look at your financial obligations, and then we also look at what your goals are for leaving a legacy for your family, for your children, and then we tailor a policy based on those factors.
That makes sense. So there are times when I need term. Term is good at some point in time in my life, but there are definitely times when I need whole. Yeah, I like how you break that down. That's good. So, good information. Here's how you choose your vibe. Mark, if I have questions about term, if I have questions about whole, got questions about how much I need to be spending or what type of coverage I need, what can I do? How do I get to you? So
basically, just give us a call if you're in Hampton. If you're in the state of Virginia, actually give us a call, 757-722-7156. Myself, I have 3 other team members in my office who are life licensed as well, and we'd be happy to sit down and determine how much coverage you need to protect your family. So just give us a call, 757-722-7156.
757-722-7156. Good information. Thank you, Mark. Listen. Get at him if you don't know, if you have questions, if you need to know. You just heard the information. It's easily digestible. I mean, Mark breaks this down. He knows it. He knows his business, but most importantly, he cares about the people he is telling and selling life insurance to. Anyway, I'm Lou Che. This is my man, Mark Crump. Thank you for being with us. Once again, this is Do Know. Blessings to you, my friend. I'm out.